Hello, beautiful people. My name is Stella Perita. I'm a YouTuber in Kenya, based in Nakuru to be specific. Guys, I do organization, nails, hair, cleaning, cooking. Yani, I do diversity of things. I don't choose whatever you want me to do. I do it. So, guys, today's video is just some random days of my life. Yeah, nothing much. As you can see, I'm from the market, so this is what I bought. Bought some bananas, I bought some fish, but then these fish were going for 70 bob. Imagine the way they are big. Oh, I don't know if they're the plastic, whatever. Then I got some mangoes and some, what is they called, bananas, ripe and unripe bananas, and also some avocados. Of course, I'm trying to, put my son into a lot of fruits because he has started school and there's this flu now and then. So I think that's gonna help him. Continue watching, guys. So, guys, this is just in the evening of the same day. Yeah, I came to pick up my son. I normally come and pick up my son at a certain point, so I just normally wait for the bus to arrive. Then I pick him up. By the way, we are starting school. The day I was doing shopping and everything, I was so sick. I could not vlog. I could not do anything, and I had nobody to help me. Imagine I had to do everything by myself. I had nobody to help me. I had to admit him in school, enroll him in school, not admit really, enroll him in school by myself, and I was sick. And I thank God. Hey, where God came through. Yeah, and I finished everything. Then nikaenda kwa bed because the sickness was so intense. But I'm okay now. Just some flu here and there. But I'm fine. I thank God I'm fine now. Yeah, so that's my son. I've picked him from school. He's normally tired. So after picking him from school, he normally comes. If the sun is still out, he'll shower first, then eat, then do his homework. As you can see, he has already finished doing his homework. After that, I normally just want him to rest a bit by watching cartoon or something, yeah, interesting. And then as time goes by, he'll have his supper, then voila, goes to sleep, because these days he sleeps early, because in the morning he wakes up early. By the way, I've not done school routine yet. I think I'll be able to do maybe next week or on the week after next week, maybe. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. So if you're loving this content, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Click on the notification button so that you don't miss on any video that I will be uploading. By the way, I will really push myself and try to be more and more consistent. So guys, just continue watching and just support me. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me how you find this video. So guys, this is what we had for supper basically. Okay, since my son normally goes to school, I don't cook lunch. I normally don't. Maybe leftovers of yesterday night, that's what I normally eat, or sometimes I just don't eat. So this is what we ate for supper. It was just fish that I got in the morning from the market. Then I also had some spinach and some garlic. And the food was yummy, guys. It was so yummy, yet simple. It was simple and yet tasty. So guys, just continue watching. And by the way, guys, by the way, it is very crucial for you to be cooking, supper early, or if you have a house help or a house manager, somebody who is helping you, just instruct her or him to be cooking supper early, because I've realized now that my son has started school, he sleeps very early. Like by 8 he's out. So I try as much as I can. Like by 7:30, 7:40, he's already fed. He's okay. So even if he sleeps at 8, I know he has not slept on an empty stomach, of which it's very important for a child to sleep akiwa na kitu kwa tumbo, Yeah. So the food was yummy. By the way, the food was so yummy, guys. I cannot lie. So if you would like a recipe, that recipe you can just tell me. I have a video on that, by the way. So basically, guys, this is what we do. This is what you do. Just build your house, install everything, leave the mirrors for us. You can just DM me if you are interested. And by the way, we did a good job. If you want to see the video, just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, this was just a house was built, and the owner wanted to install the mirrors, windows and doors. Yeah, so we came through and we did a great job. So guys, by the way, this is this is one of the things I've started doing. And as we continue, we'll see how it goes, guys. So we install mirrors, just mirrors, any reflectors, any kind of mirrors you can do on any house. Continue watching, guys. So this was on a Sunday evening. I prepared some chapels. I just what made a video of just a part of it, not everything. So if you want to see the whole full video of how to make soft layered chapati, just leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll gladly do that for you guys. As you can see, I'm using now that the oil kila kitu imepanda, you just have to minimize the usage of everything, because me, I normally cook chapati with a lot of oil. I don't know why, but since it was imeenda juu and the common economy right now, we just have to minimize. So guys, we cooked chapatis and some ndengus, that was green grants, and that was on a Sunday. Sorry guys, I'm so tired on a Sunday evening. So that's basically what we did. So this was on a Monday evening. No water to wash. I just woke up, prepared the baby, took him to school, and I came back. My sink was so full with utensils, dirty utensils, so I had to wash them. Unfortunately, the water had already lost, so ilibidi nimetafuta plan B. So guys, just enjoy the video. So guys, this is where we wind up this video for today. Of course, we had meat and some leftovers of vegetables, and of course ugali. But then in my house we do eat a lot of ugali. I think I lost some footages of this cooking video. I don't know where it went. But that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up guys. Click on the notification button so that you don't miss on any video that I'll be uploading. I do appreciate you guys for the 83 subscribers. Thank you, bye.